channel. This is Nishi and you're watching True Tarot. So let's see what's coming for Geminis for the month of June. This is just to tell you that these are the general readings. These may or may not resonate to each and everyone. So take whatever resonates to you and leave the rest. Okay? Done. So let's see, Geminis, what is your first card? Your first card is Five of Cups. Five of Cups. Disappointed. You are disappointed at something. You're just looking at the cups that have been split down. You're looking at the spilled milk. The thing is, two cups are behind you which are full, but you're so much focused upon the things which is gone that you cannot see what is there around you. So you have to understand, don't put so much focus on what is gone or what is not there. Instead, see what is still there, what is still there for you. At the bottom of the deck also I can see it's Nine of Swords. It seems like you're not in a very good position, not in a very good shape, because Nine of Swords means sleepless nights, you're getting bad dreams, you're worried about some fights. You can see your people are fighting, and then you're dreaming about some dinosaurs, some attack, like somebody will come to destroy you or something like that. So you're unable to sleep, you're too much stressed. Here also I can see that you're so much disappointed and just focused over what is gone, where you have failed. You're not looking at the two cups that are still there. You can start afresh. You can, whatever it is there, you can start afresh with that. Okay, Geminis. Let's see what else. Your next card is Three of Wands. Good. And along with Three of Wands, I have got the Lovers. So Three of Wands is this card. You can see the person is like turning a back and looking something there. The thing is, this person is a merchant who might have sent the ships, or like he is waiting for something and he knows that something is there which is going to come around. Whatever he had invested in, it's going to come around. So this energy, disappointed. Here also you can see turning a back. Here also it is turning a back, but there is difference in it. This person is disappointed and he is lost and thinking only about the grief part, but this person is looking what will come in return. So that is the difference. Here also I've told you, like, look at the two cups which are still there, and with this energy I would say definitely you might be coming out of this phase now, because at least you have some hope. If this is lost, something is there and you're waiting for that to come around. And along with the Lovers at the bottom of the deck, I would say definitely somebody is there who is going to help you, who is going to come around in this time of despair and disappointments. The Lovers energy, it could be partnership. You can see an angel is also here. So the universe will also help you. You're going to get some sort of light. And here I can see the transition from Five of Cups to Three of Wands is so much better from that. You're manifesting something. You're deciding, yes, something still is there that will come to you. Okay. So your third card is very good. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles, and at the bottom of the deck I have got Two of Cups. So Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight in this deck, but whatever it is, at least it is hopeful and it is coming towards you. Some opportunity, some offer, it is definitely coming towards you for the thing that you're waiting. You're waiting for something to come around, and something is coming around. It might take more time because, as I've told you, it's the slowest knight in the deck. So it might take some time. You must be tired of waiting. Here also you're disappointed. but the thing is, it will come. At least it's going on in a better way, like from Five of Cups to Three of Wands, and from Three of Wands to the Knight of Pentacles. And here at the bottom of the deck, we have got Two of Cups. Again, as I've told you, some kind of partnership, some kind of merger. You might, whatever offer is coming towards you, it could be kind of a partnership or a merger. Somebody is there who is coming to help you, or like take you up from the place where you were there. Okay, not bad. Two of Cups, Lovers, definitely Gemini, something is coming towards you. So your fourth card is Queen of Swords along with the Emperor at the bottom of the deck. So Queen of Swords is someone who is little rude, not rude but sharp, and the one who will make the fair decision. This queen doesn't think from the head, from the heart. She just thinks from the head, and whatever it is fair, she evaluates everything. You cannot hide anything from this particular person. And with the Emperor energy, definitely there is this person is at some authority, some authoritative figure is there. I cannot say which gender it is, but whoever is coming to you, like with the Lover's energy and with the Two of Cups, definitely somebody is coming towards you. So that person might be an emperor, might be somebody who is authoritative and a place to make decisions, and that will be very fair. It won't come to you like a fluke or something. Whatever you deserve, that is coming towards you, because this Queen of Swords is very fair. And here with the Emperor energy, I feel something, whatever is coming towards you, it's that small something has a very big potential in it. This, whatever this offer is coming, it has a lot of potential. So just open your eyes, see what is around you, grab the opportunity if it is coming towards you. Your last card is your last card is Six of Cups along with the Four of Wands. Wonderful cards in the end. No doubt that we started from Five of Cups, but we are ending at Four of Wands. Very wonderful card. This Six of Cups will tell me something. This person, whoever it is coming towards you, maybe that person is related somewhere to you in the past, and this bond, this merger, this partnership, or whatever it is coming towards you, will give you happiness, will give you the recognition. You can see how the bouquet of flowers is being transferred to a child. So some kind of recognition, happiness, achievement, something is coming towards you. And it could be the person from past whom you know, whom you connect so well. And here with the Four of Wands, wonderful. The Four of Wands, you can see it. So with Four of Wands, definitely the Four of Wands are like the four sides of the table. It's the foundation. So with whatever this thing is coming towards you, the Knight of Pentacles is bringing the merger, the partnership, the Lovers energy. It's going to give you so much happiness. So that's it for now, Geminis. This is all I can say you for the upcoming month. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.